Hey guys, welcome to Dakshin curry. During Diwali we prepare all kinds of farsan or snacks at home. Today I'll be showing you one such snack which is called as ribbon pakoda. Stay tuned. So the first step, or rather the only step, is to make the dough. So let's start. Here I have rice flour, 1 cup of rice flour. You can use raw rice, grind it into a fine powder, sieve it and then use it. Or you can use ready-made rice flour that you get in the market. In goes besan, chickpea flour, hing powder. You can use fresh hing which is dissolved in water, but this I'll be using hing powder. A little bit of turmeric, chilli powder and salt to taste. We'll mix all the dry ingredients once. And I'll be adding a few drops of ghee. Now once I have done that, I'll add water little by little and knead into a pliable dough. Now note that the proportion that I'm making is not much, which is why I'm adding water to the the mix and preparing dough. If you're going to make this in bulk quantities, what you usually do is prepare the dry mix and keep aside, and as and when you're frying your ribbon pakodas, you add water, make your dough and fry them. The idea is that the dough should not be resting once it's kneaded for a long time. I'm making a very basic ribbon pakoda. You can also add ingredients like some crushed jeera in this if you want, or sesame. You can see this dough has come together. This is the kind of dough that you will get, which when you press you can shape it. Now let's do the next step, frying. So guys, now the next step is the frying of the ribbon pakodas, for which you need to put them in a mold. I have some oil for frying. In the meanwhile, let's see how to use this. Now you get all these attachments along with it. I have these 2-3 attachments which you can use for ribbon pakoda. I'll be using this one today. So what's the step? First remove this from here, and I'm going to be placing this like this, and then we are going to turn it back. And now we have this button here, that is what you're going to use to pull and press. So this is the basic method. So let's now place our dough. So firstly, as you can see, this is where it touches. So we are going to pull this here. I'm going to take a portion of the dough and I'm going to shape it like a cylinder. Now if need be, you can grease it inside with oil, but that's not required. So I'm just going to be adding this dough and now closing it. Right, and now I just start pressing this. The minute I start feeling some pressure on my fingers, I know that the dough has come right into position to be fried, and I can see it right here. It's just starting to come. So at this stage, let us first check if the oil is hot enough to fry our ribbon pakodas. Yes. Always remember, heat up your oil, and the best way to fry any kind of dry snack, farsan, is always on a medium to a little lower flame. So let's start. I'm going from inwards to outwards. Now it's obvious that if you have a bigger kadhai, obviously you can make much larger ribbons. just fry this and then gently turn them. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, the colors almost changed. The oil is reduced bubbling. The minute oil reduces bubbling, that's a sign that your snack is fried and it's ready to be removed. So just drain off the excess oil and repeat the same process for the rest of the dough. So ribbon pakoras are ready. Now either you serve them like ribbons, you know, like large ribbons, or you just start crushing them up like I have done. So just place these ribbons here, and now you know how to make these really easy. You can make it with a flavor of your choice, you know, add spices and herbs and innovate. And if you guys have enjoyed watching this recipe, do go ahead and make it. You know what you have to do. You have to click on the like button, share the recipe and subscribe on India Food Network. Until next time, bye.